On a spread, when you have the dominant element, usually that dominant element then creates something called an eyeline. An eyeline is a horizontal line. It can be diagonal or horizontal, but it usually goes across the two pages and draws the reader across either to the left or to the right or down and up. This is important because your dominant element is going to create that eye line so that your reader does want to travel across. So here you can see that the dominant element that's 2 to 3 times larger than anything else is this area over on the right, these two photos together creating a dominant element. The eye line is then based off of the bottom of these going all the way across the page and drawing the reader across to want to read more. They actually put a line in their eye line. You don't normally always have a line in the eye line, but you could use it with white space. Here we have another one where your dominant element is this photo up here of the football players, and the eye line is right below that, drawing them across the page, whether that's to the left or to the right, and creating this sectioning so that people know where to look next. Here's the same thing with the dolphin photo, drawing you across to see the module down below of all the smaller photos during that summertime season. Here you can see they did it with white space, and it really does show you how things are moved around and sectioned off together. And white space is just blank space on the page, and it's very important. White space helps a lot to be able to show the reader where to go and what goes together. So here you can see that this area up in the top left goes together. The area over on the right is definitely sectioned off. And each time there's this little gap of white space, you're going to see that there is a new sub-module or story. And those are both really important to be able to help the reader see what goes with what.